Alright, what's going on everyone? So I just found my camera in my bag. So that's like, you know, I'm not recording this video. And you know, I should really take better care of my like camera stuff, because if it's just like in my bag like this, I mean, it could have gotten damaged pretty easily, I'd say. So I gotta be careful. So yeah, I basically have a little video for everyone here. It's a HYPEBEAST mystery box video. It's a back to school one, sort of themed, and apparently I've heard it's a pretty profitable mystery box. I think I'm gonna be making some money here at $175. So, you know, a little investment right there, but nothing crazy. Probably end up just trying to resell some of the stuff, because, you know, I am trying to, like, you know, keep in profits and stuff, you know, make money, so, you know, I can get more cool stuff for back to school. And also, I'll be doing more back to school videos soon, just like this one, which is a mystery box. And let me know if you guys want another mystery box video too. Like, if this one does well, I will surely do another one. So just let me know about that. I have some really cool videos coming soon that I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. So please drop a like if you want to see those. If you need 100 likes in this video, and I'll do another. And also subscribe if you want more content like this. And also, the Supreme Super Soaker giveaway is being announced very, very soon. It's probably today, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get started on this. Oh, and also, if you don't already, go follow like my Instagram, the description, you know, my reselling page, all that. I'd really appreciate a follow. And, you know, DM me if you want on either my personal or reselling account, preferably my reselling account. I don't know if I'll follow you back on my personal, because I'm starting to follow a lot of people. But like on my reselling account, if you guys want to follow back, follow me there. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, but basically I'm about to open the mystery box. I can't really show you guys me opening it because it has like the shipping label on it, but yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get back to you all really quick, so let's get started on that. But yeah, you know, I just got back from vacation. You know, I'm glad I'm able to record a video. So sorry for 3 days without a video, that's so long, but yeah, I'm really just gonna get into opening this. Like, hopefully it isn't that hard. I actually don't even need the scissors right now. Alright, so basically we got the mystery box open. You can't see anything as of right now. There's nothing in it, so well, I mean, there is something in it. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I accidentally just kicked my camera. Alright, so back to normal right there. But basically, yeah, we have something in this. We gotta see what really some of the first stuff is. So I'm gonna open this. Do keep an Adidas shoe box. I don't really intentionally mean to see that, but I'm not gonna look at anything else. I'm just gonna take the first thing I see out, and I'm not gonna look at anything else. So I'm gonna move the rest sort of just right there. I'm not really gonna look at it, and I just don't want y'all to see it basically. But basically, the first thing we have here is a pair of Calabasas right here. These are sick. I actually needed these. What size are these? Size 7. Okay, so these are size 7. I don't really know what I can do with these, but these are money size. I definitely can probably get something for these. This is a really good item to resell, or I can do a video where I give it to my brother, maybe something like that. He isn't quite a size 7 yet, not even close, but I think this should be something that, like, when he gets there, like, it'd be dope for him to wear. He's going in like 5th grade pretty soon. I'm not gonna say too much, but yeah, basically that's what you need to know about these. I think it's a good one. It's a money size, size 7, so this is a good one. I mean, I wish it was my size, because low-key I would rock these, but I probably would still sell them. So I mean, these are gonna be sold. Definitely a good one to start with the mystery box weeks. Don't forget, I spent $175, and these go for like, let me see, I bet these probably go for around like $80 to $100, something like that. So this is a good one to start off with. Not bad. Some sort of Yeezy. You can get technical. It's a Yeezy, all right? No, not really. Don't call it. It is though. It is though. I don't know what I'm saying. So that's the first one. Now we gotta grab the second item we see. So I see something else in my hand. And oh, okay, this is an interesting one. All right, so we have a pair of Supreme Gatos, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Supreme SBs, world famous ones. I'm pretty sure this is what they were. These are worth a decent amount, I'm pretty sure. These are like 100, I'd say. So yeah, this profitable mystery box already. But yeah, 2 pairs of sneakers, so let's think of that's pretty cool. I'm not sure what size they are, so I'm gonna check that, because actually this possible personal, so don't forget, shout out to Resell ATL. I'm gonna put it in somewhere. Hopefully I put up his ad, because this is the dude who got me the mystery box. A huge shout out to Resell ATL. Like, this man is the GOAT. I really do appreciate him. But I'm still trying to look for a size tag. I'm not having luck, dude. Alright, so they're size 10, so that's like sort of my size. So low-key, I may keep these. Maybe a Fit Pick comes soon in these, but I don't know. We have to see. But this is a pretty cool one. Not one. I mean, yeah, I like it. I mean, dude, yeah, I messed with it. Like the sneakers, all that so far. Like, you know, we got some good stuff to resell as of right now. Like, I don't know about, like, I messed with it, but the blue color scheme really just isn't my thing. Like, I don't know. It's nice, but like, I think I can get some good money for these. So I have a lot of sneakers coming in for sale soon. I'm gonna have a sneaker sale. But yeah, these. World famous, I'd say solid SB. I'm glad I got it. It's a resell one. All right. I don't know why I'm talking so much. Just that's all you need to know. All right. And next up, I sold this one about $5. So shout out to Resell ATL. You know, give me the cash. You know, I appreciate that. You know, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I think it's good. And you know, always save your money. So that's a life lesson right there. Always save your money. So if there's a $5 bill, boom, I'll be saving that. For real. Thank you. I seriously appreciate that. There's more, and I know that somewhere in here, so I just have to feel around. All right, so I feel something in here. All right, oh wow. Okay, so this is crazy. Off-white shoelaces. These are worth like $50. All right, so boom, off-white shoelaces. And then look, a Supreme metal Zippo. Look at that right there. The one that dropped spring summer 19 right there, the Zippo. This one bricked sorta, if I'm correct. But hey, this item's worth at least like 70 bucks right here, so that's pretty cool. Looks dead stock. I don't see any use on it, so that's pretty sick. And then especially the off-white shoelaces, like dude, these are worth like 50 bucks alone. So like I don't really know too much what to say other than this is pretty dope. So shout out to him. Like this is pretty crazy. We're not even done. There's a little bit more in here. I am going through it a little bit fast, but like, you know, the Zippo's pretty nice. Like, you know, you can sell this right here. But yeah, like the silver's cool. You know, I mess with like silver and stuff like that. But like, you know, the pattern's cool. I've sort of messed with it. I don't remember what it's called again, like the name of it. But yeah, it's good. And yeah, you know, I can resell this. So if anybody wants any of these items, if any of y'all want any of them, I'm gonna put this at the start too. If anybody wants anything from the mystery box, let me know in the comments, offer me, DM me on Instagram in the description on either my personal or reselling, and I'll sell you guys some stuff. So if you want any of these, anything I've really showed you all other than the $5, then yeah, definitely. So off-white shoelaces, Zippo, Calabasas, world famous, SBs, you know, anything, let me know. But we're not done. There's like a little bit more in here for what I can tell. I'm not really feeling more objects, but I do. Oh wow, okay, this is crazy. I think this is a bait tee. Yeah, wow. All right, this is a bait tee right here. Look at this. We have a tee in here even. This is insane. So we have a bait tee. This is, wow, like what size is this right here? This looks pretty crazy. This looks old too. Yeah, because you can't even read it. This looks very old. So like a vintage maybe babe tee. This might be vintage. Can someone educate me? Let me know if anybody knows anything about it. If anybody's interested in this, let me know. But this could be a personal one because this tee is like, this is sick. I don't know. I may be keeping this one, but if someone offers me a good price, let me know in the comments, and yeah, maybe then I'll probably sell it. This is like insane. Like this mystery box, shout out to Resell ATL. If y'all want good mystery boxes, go to him. Like you see the profit I'm making off this. This isn't sponsored. Like I paid him for this. I promise you that. You can ask him, ask me. Like I paid him for this. If you want proof, let me know. But yeah, like this is sick, and I didn't even expect to see, but like 2 pairs of shoes, a Supreme accessory, off-white shoelaces, and a babe tee. This is crazy. Yeah, but if anybody wants this stuff or anything I've shown, it's all for sale. Just offer me a price in the comments or DM me, and my account's in the description. They're linked there. And the giveaway winner's also gonna be selected soon, so you gotta stay tuned. All right, I don't know if it's in this video, but we're doing it on my Instagram story, so you also gotta follow me for that. If you entered, stay tuned. But yeah, we got a little bit more in here. I did see something, so I'm not gonna miss that. Here it is. We have a Supreme pin. Look at that. Look, here you go. Look, this is another cool thing. Like again, like I value little things like this. Anybody want this, let me know. It's a Supreme pin. Like this is pretty cool. I have like a little accessory. Like it's like, you can't see it obviously because it's on the opposite side. It's above me too. The Supreme, I like a shelf just full of Supreme accessories. This one, you know, maybe added there. But hey, if anybody wants a price, like offer me it. And you know, I've said it's enough. You know where it is. This one is also for sale, and it's cool. You know, the Supreme I Heart Power Balance pin, so pretty cool, not bad. And we're not done, you know, we got like a Supreme sticker or 2 in here, and then yeah, we're done. So basically we have 2 Supreme stickers. We have this one right here, I don't know the name for it, but this one. And then I've had this one before, is Supreme Pliers, I'm pretty sure. I do not know the name of this Supreme sticker, but this one is very interesting. I don't really know. But yeah, really gonna show you all everything we got again. We're gonna run through it one more time. All right, babe tee. Supreme shoes right there, and then also the Calabasas right in there. Y'all saw those, size 7. Babe tee I think is probably a medium. I can't tell because it is older, but I'm pretty sure it's a medium or something, but I don't know how it fits. But I might be keeping this one for personal. And then the Supreme sneakers, these ones, which are very, very good condition. There is no damage. These look pretty much VNDS, I'd say. Size 10, so if anyone wants those, let me know too. And then we also got the Supreme Zippo right here. Don't forget this one, the silver plating one right there, sort of that one. And then we also have the off-white laces, which these ones are pretty sick. And I'm actually stoked that I got these. Like I've never seen these before, so these are pretty cool. Well, I mean, I've obviously seen them on the sneakers, but I just haven't seen these like as laces themselves. And then yeah, Supreme stickers, Supreme pin, and yeah, this is a crazy mystery box. So shout out to Resell ATO. I'll link him down below too, because I gotta show love where it's due. This is a huge profit in this mystery box. It's insane. So huge shout out to him. If you guys want good mystery boxes, just gotta go to him. He'll hook you up with some good stuff. And yeah, that's it for this video. Let's roll that outro. Anyways though, thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. All the love and support has just been crazy lately. Like we're giving this away, like this, we're gonna be doing so much more stuff like this. I still have to ship out some Supreme sticker orders, and I'm sorry, I'm like delayed on some stuff. Like, I need to get bigger envelopes to ship some out. Like I'm really delayed on some, and I'm sorry for that. I may throw in like some extra stuff, like if I can, but I don't know if I can, so I'm just sorry if I'm late to your order. Like I really am trying to get all of those together, and like with my reselling and just everything going in and out lately. Yeah, if you want more videos like this, please drop a like. Let's see if we need 100 likes in this video. That'd be crazy. You know, subscribe, more content just like this, comment if you want more videos like this, and run it up, share this video with your mom or something, that'd be cool. And yeah, I'm Tristan, I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Follow me on Instagram with that down below. Enough said, peace out.